Welcome to our channel. Today. We'll walk you through the essential steps to fix a First Republic Bank login freeze quickly and easily. Welcome to our channel. Many users experience issues when their First Republic Bank login gets frozen. But resolving this problem is straightforward if you follow the right steps carefully. The first thing you need to do is verify that your internet connection is stable, as connectivity issues can sometimes cause login problems. Once you confirm your connection is strong, head to the First Republic Bank login page and attempt to sign in. If the system indicates your account is frozen and you cannot proceed, the next step is to check your email registered with the bank for any notifications or alerts regarding your account status. Banks often send security notices or instructions to unlock accounts via email. If you find such an email, carefully follow the instructions provided. Usually, it involves confirming your identity by clicking a secure link. If no email is found or you are unable to resolve the issue via email, then visit the First Republic Bank official website and look for customer support contact information. Call or message their support team, explaining your login freeze issue. Stay ready to verify your identity with information such as your account number, social security number, or other security questions. This will speed up the verification process. When you are connected to a live agent, ask them to initiate a manual review of your account status to restore access. Sometimes accounts are frozen due to suspicious activity or multiple failed login attempts, so be prepared to explain recent activity. If instructed by the support team, you may need to reset your password. To do this, go back to the login page, select the Forgot Password option, and follow the prompts to create a new password that is both strong and unique. Ensure your new password includes a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Enhance security after resetting your password. Try logging in again. If you still face issues, consider clearing your browser cache or trying a different browser or device. These steps can fix potential device or browser-specific glitches. If none of these actions solve the problem, the last resort is to visit a nearby First Republic Bank branch with a valid ID for in-person assistance. Bank staff can provide immediate help with account access issues. Remember, keeping your contact information and security settings updated on your bank profile is crucial to avoid future freezes. Frequent password changes and monitoring your account activity regularly also help maintain security. By following these steps, you can resolve the First Republic Bank login freeze with ease and get back to managing your finances stress-free. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video if you found this guide helpful.